Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Etsy payments and bank payout setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Etsy payments, begin by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager section. From there, click on Finances. In the Finances section, select Payment Settings. Look for the Etsy Payments option and click on it. You will see a prompt to set up Etsy payments. Click on the Get Started button. Next, provide the required information about your business. This includes your business name, address, and type of business entity. After entering the business details, continue to the next section. Now, enter your personal information as required. Make sure to provide accurate details like your name and social security number. Next, enter your bank account information for payouts. Specify your bank account type, either checking or savings. Input your bank routing number and account number carefully. Double-check these numbers to avoid any issues with payouts. After entering your bank information, agree to the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box confirming your acceptance. Click on the Submit button to complete the authorization process. You may receive a verification email from Etsy. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, your Etsy payments and bank payout setup will be complete. Check your shop settings to ensure everything is correct. Your Etsy payments will now be ready to process transactions. Keep your information up to date if there are any changes in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.